Yo, what up, tubers? It's a gorgeous day to go ride. I'm about to meet up with the boys at the cycle center. At least that's my hope, because I'm late. I hit a detour and I might show up there and everyone will be gone, but usually we leave late anyway. So it's 1 o'clock. Everyone said kickstands up at 1 and I'm 13 minutes out. I've already been dropping a hammer, but I hit an unexpected detour. There's a bridge out. All right, well, I made it. So that's good. I guess all Dylan's bikes are broken, so he's on the 110. I don't know if that thing's street legal, but it looks like it's got a headlight, so that's good enough, right?
Oh, stop still! Oh, the team. Is that the old one? You got a new one.
It came with it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
What's good though, dude? You like it so far?
Yeah, I do. I didn't like it at first, but I love it now.
What's up?
Dude, I hit a fucking detour on the way. I almost didn't make it. I thought I was gonna show up and everyone was gonna be gone.
I saw you were gone. I was kind of like waiting because I'm always late, so I don't want to be mad at other people for being late. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't worry. This will be fun though.
Yeah. Shit's dope. That felt really good right there. There's all kind of bikes out here today. We've got 636s. We got a GSX 750, I think it's called. I think there's a 2-stroke dirt bike back there. Groms, CRF110. A couple KTMs, DRZs, naturally. That felt pretty damn good. Damn. Dude, that thing is probably a blast to ride in the pack like this. Shit was dope. I want to do some more wheelies, but 1, we're in town, and 2, everyone's really close to each other, and 3, the roads aren't that straight. Damn! That's a sick turn right there. Out here in the country, boy. Woo! Fucking beautiful today. Damn, there's a horse and buggy up there too. Miles an hour. Horse and bug drone coming up. Yeah. Oh man. Shit's dope. Man, I have absolutely no idea where we are, and it's awesome. You know what I'm saying? This is so much fun. is gorgeous. Good old Pennsylvania. It's almost summertime. Everything's green and blooming. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. All right, tubers, I'm heading home. It was a fun ass ride today, but I'm about an hour and a half from home, and I need to do my Sunday routine, and I haven't seen my lady all weekend, so you know the deal. So if you like today's video, you know what to do. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.